We are on the G23. You do an inside walkthrough. You got all this gray seed deck that's throughout the boat, underneath all the covers. You've got more storage. And the sea deck is in there also. There's your fill-in pad that fills in this walkway. More storage on this side. Large walk-in, your tower speakers, both board racks fold in with the bimini. No issues with any of the vinyl. And you got your stereo here, Clarion, with all your auxiliary inputs with USB and auxiliary. You also incorporated the sea deck inside. Multiple different ways of having your seating arrangement set up. And then here you got tons of storage. Again, sea deck lined all throughout. You have your trash can, which you have a door on the side that opens up. You've got your subwoofer back there with the enclosure. Your amp sitting up top. You got two of them. Bear with me. That seat is hinged and is locked, so that way it does not fall back, but it's got different positions. This is that door to the trash can. And you have your battery switch right next to the helm. You walk up here. Front bow seating. That's your anchor. Same with the sea deck that's throughout. Then also your center pads here flip over to fill in the bow complete to turn it into a playpen. And then the nice thing that I like is it's got the cooler. It's already built into the floor, so it's not underneath the seat like on most other Nautiques, to where you've got somebody sitting that wants a drink and they got to get up. That's a nice feature. And you have your helm up here. It's got you have all your video in to where you could hook up if you had a GoPro and you get the right cables, you can actually display it on the nav center. And if you decided you wanted to do the tower cam, it's already pre-wired for it. All you'd have to do is get the camera to be mounted on and wired on top of the tower. And you also have pull-out bench seat, especially for when you're surfing or if you got a load of people and you want to keep the boat balanced for wakeboarding. It works out pretty good.